We are going to use a method called stop motion to create these really magical videos that make it look like Elf is moving all on his own, or her own. I've got the female version. First things first is you're going to download a free stop motion video app. This is our app and it's called Lapse, and it's available on iOS or Android. Before we dive into the app, I'm just going to share two basic things with you on the principles of stop motion creation. So first things first, all you have to know is all stop motion is a sequence of photos stitched together. So what we're going to be doing is we'll be taking a photo of Elf, moving him a little, take another photo, move a little, so on and so forth, and when you play it back, it looks like he's moving on his own once you speed up the video. The second principle is to not move the phone while you're shooting, because if you're moving the phone, then everything's going to be moving as you take it versus just Elf. If you have a tripod for your phone, amazing. If you don't and you want to get one, they're available on Amazon. You can probably get it overnight if you have Prime. If not, we have a couple different hacks that you can use if you don't have a tripod. The hack is pretty simple, and it's just to find something to lean your phone against while you're shooting. So you can use a mug, a cup, a book, anything really, as long as the phone is upright and not moving throughout the duration of your shoot. If you want to shoot directly down, a hack for this is to place your phone on the edge of a table or a chair. This will be super handy if you're creating snow angels with Elf.
Welcome to Elf on the Shelf tutorial, where Elf seems to have discovered your homemade Elf cam. Lucky for you, you have a second one set up. You can DIY the Elf cam using a Cricut machine, template, and the machine itself. Alternatively, you can just make one yourself. You can get these kind of ornaments from the dollar store and make it as creative as you like. As I mentioned, this particular template is a Cricut machine one. So you can create this Elf cam, and as Elf has discovered it, what you're going to want to do is have Elf leaning against it, pushing it into the scene. Hot tip. For your capture Elf move videos, you're going to want to use either a Bluetooth remote or the in-app interval timer to take each photo. This will ensure that you avoid having a shaky video. What helps with the realistic nature of this is to have the leg movement, the leg bending, pushing out and pushing back in. As the ball is round, you are going to want to have some sort of putty or sticky dots to help keep it in place between each movement. Just be mindful of the Elf shadow so that it makes sense when it first appears in your shot. Also, you may wish to have the Elf leaning against something to help with the stability. As you can see in this video, I did stop the Elf in the middle of the scene. You may wish to have it go all the way across the scene. Once you've got all of your shots, you can open up the in-app editor. This kind of video doesn't require a lot of editing. You may wish to increase brightness, play around with the speed, freeze frames, or duplicate to help so that it only plays through once. Once you've done any of your editing, you can save your video.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash that like button. It really helps get our brand in front of more eyes. This is only one of many Elf on the Shelf video tutorials that we have. If you want to access more ideas on how to bring Elf on the Shelf to life and create videos of him caught on camera moving around your house, please click the link in the description below to access the full playlist. If you share your video on social media, I'd absolutely love to see it. Please include the hashtag ElfOnTheShelfVideo so I can see what you guys are creating. Thanks for watching.